Since I've had it since 2017, I know how frustrated many of you are with how it's been performing, especially in light of the overall Bitcoin market. Between now and then, this failure is likely the threat we've been watching for. Based on the sample we've seen so far, 2017 may be a lot like the year before the first rate spike. This suggests that there could be an XRP repeat. You're bound to run into doubt. After some setbacks, the most common complaint we got was doubt, which was completely understandable. It's important to remember, though, that records have definitely been broken in this way before, most notably in 2017. After a lengthy construction phase that lasted more than 1,300 days. I have a quick question to ask before we talk about the latest interesting news. If you like our work, please help us out by clicking the like button, listening to our channel, and clicking the notification bell to join our amazing community. Many people didn't know this, but XRP was one of the first cryptocurrencies to hit the market in 2013, right after Bitcoin. Between 2013 and 2017, when it broke out, it went through a pretty big stage of growth. The current situation, which is marked by low volatility, is very similar to this trend from the past. This suggests that the past might happen again. It is still reasonable to expect XRP to reach a great price goal like $1.16, even though the size of the boom can vary. The mistress debt comes from not getting results quickly, and it doesn't take into account simple things like market cycles and technical formations. I can understand how tiring it is to hear rumors without having real proof. What we want. But is based on the technical foundation set up in 2017, which points to a full-size trade in the near future. Even though I have a diverse portfolio, I still have exposure to XRP because I think that an old event will happen again soon. This talk tries to make sense of the changing dynamics by bringing up the possibility of big changes that are based only on facts and not guesswork. We only want XRP because of the way its charts look, but it's also important to recognize the smart analysis of our trusted partner, Mr. Francis Hunt, who is also known as the marketplace sniper and crypto sniper. He came up with a $1.16 rate goal after carefully looking at the form and effects of XRP. These results strongly suggest that XRP is going to go up, but it's important to remember that these aren't the only things that support our positive outlook. Other important things also play a role. You can't say enough good things about XRP's potential in the growing markets for foreign money transfers and currencies. The way global banking works is about to change, and XRP will play a big part in this new technology. This will bring us closer to a currency FX economic system. Before we go any further with the trend analysis, let's take a look at how important XRP is in the financial world and why it came out so soon after Bitcoin. One of the main ideas behind XRP is to use a global record to make it possible to trade assets in addition to money transfers. The XRP token's usefulness is further proven as we move toward a world where all assets are digitized and turned into tokens. Some people question whether or not XRP is needed in the foreign exchange FX market, especially when it comes to big transactions. For instance, a lot of liquidity is locked up when a lot of yen are changed into dollars because the exchange rate needs to be the same in both currencies. XRP gets rid of this need by acting as a bridge token and allowing almost instant currency trades without the need to speed up liquidity. This feature is a huge step forward in making international foreign exchange deals easier and more efficient. Through its ability to completely change the foreign exchange FX market, XRP is ushering in a new era of efficiency and liquidity. There's no doubt that the XRP token is needed because of how big the FX market is. With an impressive value of $2.4 trillion in 2020, the Forex market is the most open and one of the biggest in the world. Derivatives may be the only thing that can make it bigger. The daily trade volume on the FX market had grown to $7.5 trillion. The huge growth and popularity potential is shown by the fact that XRP and Ripple can be used to make a huge number of foreign money transfers possible. There are a limited number of XRP tokens, and right now $54 billion of them are being used. This has huge implications for fee increases. At the rate we think it will be, $1.16, XRP is worth $164 billion on the market. Since Bitcoin's market value has already passed the $1 trillion mark, showing that such high estimates are possible for cryptocurrencies, this assessment is not completely unrealistic. Cross-border bills and money transfers can be changed with XRP using a simple but advanced method. It would be easy and almost quick to change dollars into XRP. that was then changed into euros or another coin in a deal made possible by XRP. For this process to work, a lot of trades may need to go through XRP, which could cause its price to go through the roof. Because of the huge amounts of money that are traded every day in foreign exchange, the $1.16 rate target isn't always useful as an estimate. It may also be too low because of the ongoing buy and sell operations that can take XRP's market value to new heights. Because of this, the main ideas behind XRP's power go beyond looking at basic charts. They are based on the huge difference it could make to the world economy. There is a strong case for XRP to become even more popular and used because of how it works technically and how much it costs to change the FX market. The possible rise in XRP's value could start as a spike in its use or acceptance, though this depends on a number of speculations. It's important to stress that we have a cautious role on XRP, even though we know what it can do. The majority of our investments are no longer made up of it. Given its potential to have a big effect on how the world's money changes, we suggest that you think about it as a risky part of your investment plan. The fact that no one knows how much XRP will be used in the foreign exchange market shows how risky this funding is, but Ripple's present partnerships with some of the biggest companies in the world suggest that the company might be able to get a big share of the market. Imagine that XRP could help even a small part of the foreign exchange market, a lot less than a substantial part. In that case, its value might rise very quickly, just like the profits that technical analysis indicated. This power comes from more than just technical knowledge. It also comes from XRP's plan to change the way foreign business is done. We are giving more attention to XRP now than we did in the past because of events and trends that make us think it might act the same way again. Our goal is to beat weak assessments that lower the value of XRPs one at a time, based only on how well they have performed in the past. When compared to how reactive retail funding is, this kind of complaint often doesn't take into account how patient and methodical institutions are when they spend. This cutting-edge point of view is needed to understand XRP's potential and the bigger picture of market dynamics and economic mistake improvements. The story that's forming around XRP is a unique case for speculative investment with an eye toward long-term changes and developments, though it's still best to have a diverse portfolio when looking for knowledge about XRP on YouTube and other sites. One can find a lot of content that is, to be honest, shallow and wrong. A lot of the discussion is based on speculation, leading people to make guesses that they can't be sure of without proof. But when we look at the technical charts, it becomes clear that the story is more reliable and easy to understand. Based on these charts, XRP is likely to experience significant growth and could be the best coin for the next international payment system. To fully understand XRP's potential, it's important to know that it acts as a bridge token in the growing global payment system. As XRP becomes more and more part of world markets, a huge amount of money is expected to come in. With both technical and practical help, putting XRP into use and making it widely available could lead to a big fee increase. According to Coin, the market value of XRP can hit $864 billion at a made-up price of $1.16. This is more than a few, which makes sense when you think about how useful XRP is and how many trades it wants to allow, especially as Bitcoin prices rise.